There's a better way to create ads. It's smarter, it's faster, and it scales with zero drama. Let me show you. The traditional way to make an ad is to put specific details of your client inside your template. That means when you get a new client, you create a new template specific for that customer. This works, but it doesn't necessarily scale well. It means duplicated work, more time for you setting up ads every single time you get a new customer, and your client is going to be waiting to onboard while you set everything up. Well, with UpHex, there's a better way. Let me show you one tool today that will harness UpHex's superpower and help you create ad templates that you set up once and your clients use 1,000 times. You see, in UpHex, you're building a library of ads that your clients can look through and choose from. These ads are ready to go whenever you're ready to onboard your clients. And the coolest thing that I want to show you and highlight today is something called custom values. Watch me turn this agency-specific ad into a category or niche-specific ad that anyone who offers needy compression can use. Anything that's specific, I'm going to turn into a custom value. I'm going to add in 2 brackets, type in what the value should be, and then close with 2 brackets. I've added in a custom value that will allow me to customize this ad when I launch it for my customer. Let's do it again with their actual clinic name. Boom, just like that, done and done. Let me show you how this works in launching an ad. When I go to launch the ad, or if my client is launching the ad for themselves, right here, there will be a section for custom values. And you'll see over here in our ad copy, when they fill these custom values out, it instantly customizes it for that client. I just created a template once that thousands of customers can use. My onboardings just got faster because guess what? That template is already in the library, ready to go for my customer. Instead of taking weeks to set up a client, I just turned it into days. Want to try it out? It's easy. Go to your template library, click on My Library. Find the offer you want to adjust, click on Details. Click on Add Content, and let's start with the ad body. Anything that's personal, simply swap it out with a custom value. It's 2 squiggly brackets, whatever value you want inside, but instead of a space, you're going to put a period between the words. Close with 2 brackets. And you just did it. You're done. That's as simple as it gets. You can put in custom values anywhere you can add in text, including lead gen forms and Facebook Messenger messages. Thanks, guys. We hope this is valuable in building and streamlining your agency.